Well, good morning, guys. So we're getting started. It's pretty early this morning. We're going to be seeing what this truck can do towing today. On our way in to eat the breakfast of champions. We just got our fence dropped off, so y'all stay tuned. This is going to be an eventful day. Today the purpose of this video is, can she still haul? So we got the 8-inch lift in the 1500 here, and we got 4 yards of lime rock in the bed of this dump trailer. I hauled 5 earlier this morning, but I didn't get a video of it. I was too busy. But so there's 4 yards in here. The key with this trailer and hauling the material is getting it balanced and getting the weight where it's far enough forward that you're not light in the front, but not so heavy on the front that it just overworks the truck. But yeah, you can definitely feel it going to the 35s. The gears are a little bit longer now, but it still works. So we're still out here making money. This, guys, is why you lift a truck you go to the dump with every day. So these new mud tires really helped out, and we didn't even spin out in the mud. So it worked.